Hey guys, it's 5 p.m. So what does it mean? It's time to prepare dinner. Let's go. Let's prepare the ingredients. I'm planning to make my ground pork with green peas. So we have the green peas, the onions, and the ground pork. Sadly, I am missing one ingredient, and that ingredient is my favorite ingredient, and that's garlic. Yes, the word again, garlic. So even though I feel cold, but also I noticed that outside is snowing, so I decided to just go out, enjoy the snow as well. So I'm preparing to go out just to buy garlic. Luckily for me, we have a supermarket close to our place, only 1 kilometer away. So I have to walk through the snow for 1 kilometer because Scott's not home yet and he's got a car. So 1 kilometer of walk, that's not bad. That's like a couple of minutes in the treadmill as well. So I might as well just do it while enjoying the snow. And the plowers, are very active over there. If you can see, they're very active and responded right away to the snow because it's gonna get thicker. And so here I am inside IGA, and I'm trying to choose the best garlic, my favorite ingredient when I'm cooking. So this garlic, yes. And since I remembered our salt is running low, so I also decided to buy one. So that's it. At least I got another ingredient. At least I buy another thing outside of garlic for a 1 kilometer walk. Well, anyway, I enjoy the walk, so that's good. I'm trying to pay it. So I always use self-serve when I buy small stuff only in the grocery store. So that's how I did it. Now I'm heading back home and look at the view. Magnificent. And the beautiful thing is, it's only -1 at this time. So -1, that's why I'm enjoying my walk. I'm very happy walking through the snow. And there it is. 1 kilometer is very close, right? So I need to remove all the snow before going in to avoid wetting the floor. And there I am, home at last. And of course, excited to start cooking. So let's check on our ingredients again. And there it is. There's garlic. So I'm starting with the green peas. I boil them separately so that it will already be soft before adding it to the meat. I just added oil to the pan and then added onion and the garlic. Sauteed it for a little while before adding the meat. I have there the ground pork, and while I'm mixing it, the green peas also boiling. I add salt and the black pepper to taste, and after roughly 20 minutes I added the green peas, and that's it. I just simmer it for additional 2 minutes. And this one here I also have is for our soup because it's kind of cold here and we need it. Merci, à la prochaine.